The U.S. Navy's newest and most advanced warship, USS Zumwalt, was commissioned during a ceremony in Baltimore. Captain James Kirk assumed command of USS Zumwalt and had this to say about the next generation of Navy ships.
Ladies and gentlemen, Captain James Kirk, United States Navy, Commanding Officer, United States Ship Zumwalt.
Well, I know what you're all thinking, so let's just get it over with. Live long and prosper. Zumwalt is today a technological marvel. When deployed, our Navy and nation will have on its Navy and Marine Corps team a multi-mission destroyer with the stealth, survivability, and combat power to take on our most challenging missions. And DDG-1000 shines a brilliant light upon the path to what the future demands.